Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and the latest advancements in technology. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our planet. And speaking of innovation, a new study has just been released that sheds light on how well companies are adopting artificial intelligence. The AI-driven Enterprise Institute has created an open-source index that ranks S&P 500 companies based on their AI literacy, advocacy, orientation, and implementation. Imagine a universe where machines can learn and adapt at an exponential rate, transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live and work. That's the world we're living in today, and companies like Nvidia, Meta, and Schlumberger are leading the charge. These tech giants have scored a perfect 100 on the AID index, indicating that they're at the forefront of AI adoption. But what does this mean for the future of business and society? As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see significant changes in the way companies operate, from enhanced customer service to improved risk management. The top performers on the AID index are not only investing heavily in AI research and development, but also prioritizing AI literacy among their executives and board members. As we explore the vast expanse of space, we're reminded that the boundaries between technology and astronomy are becoming increasingly blurred. The same AI algorithms that are being used to analyze data from space missions are also being applied to solve complex problems here on Earth. It's a truly exciting time, and we're honored to be a part of this journey. So, let's take a closer look at the companies that are pushing the boundaries of AI innovation. From chipmakers like Nvidia to energy producers like Schlumberger, these organizations are redefining the way we think about artificial intelligence. And as we delve deeper into the world of AI, we'll be exploring the implications for space exploration and the potential for machines to assist us in our quest for knowledge. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and the latest discoveries that are helping us better understand our place within it. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds us here on Earth. Did you know that there are more trees on our planet than stars in the Milky Way? That's right. A staggering 3 trillion trees call Earth home, while NASA estimates that our galaxy contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. Imagine walking through a forest, surrounded by the gentle rustle of leaves and the majestic trunks of trees that stretch towards the sky. Each one of these trees is a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. And yet, as we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of the vast expanse of space that lies beyond our planet. The stars we see twinkling above us are just a small fraction of the billions that make up the Milky Way, and the sheer scale of this number is almost impossible to comprehend. As we ponder the relationship between our planet's tree count and the star count of the Milky Way, we're forced to consider the intricate web of life that binds our universe together. The trees that cover our planet play a vital role in regulating the atmosphere, providing habitat for countless species, and influencing the climate. Similarly, the stars that light up the night sky are the engines that drive the formation of galaxies, the creation of heavy elements, and the very fabric of space itself. The comparison between trees and stars may seem like an unusual one, but it highlights the fascinating connections that exist between different realms of our universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos and push the boundaries of human knowledge, we're reminded of the importance of preserving the natural beauty of our planet and protecting the delicate balance of our ecosystem. So let's take a moment to appreciate the trees that surround us and the stars that shine above us. Both are reminders of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the universe, and both play a vital role in the grand tapestry of existence. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we gaze out into the vast expanse of space, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of new discoveries and emerging technologies. But today, let's take a step back and examine the financial landscape that underpins these advancements. The year 2026 has been marked by significant stock market activity, with many tech companies making headlines with their initial public offerings, or IPOs. Now, some of you may be thinking, haven't we seen this before? Doesn't this sound like the dot-com boom of the late 1990s and early 2000s? And to that I say, yes and no. While it's true that there are some similarities between the two periods, there's a key factor that sets them apart: the quality of the companies going public. According to data from Goldman Sachs strategist Ben Snyder, the number of IPOs in 2026 is only on pace to reach the historical annual average of 100. This is in stark contrast to the over 250 IPOs that launched in 2021 and nearly 400 that launched in 1999. Furthermore, Snyder notes that the total corporate equity supply is expected to register $675 billion, which scales to just 1.0% of U.S. equity market cap compared to an average of 1.5% since 1995. So, what does this mean? Well, for one, it suggests that the companies going public in 2026 are, on average, more established and financially sound than those of the dot-com era. Take SpaceX, for example, which is expected to go public soon. Founded in 2002, the company has over 13,000 employees and saw its revenue surge to $18.7 billion in 2025. Now, I know some of you may still be thinking, but Carl, what about the risk of a stock market bubble? And that's a fair question. After all, we've seen it before: the hype, the speculation, the eventual crash. But as Goldman Sachs notes, valuations for the market, and even for these tech stocks, aren't out of whack with a reasonable view of future earnings and cash flow. As we look to the stars and contemplate the vast possibilities that await us, let's also keep our feet grounded in reality. Let's remember that the pursuit of scientific progress and technological advancement is not just about chasing the next big thing, but about building on a foundation of sound principles and evidence-based thinking. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.